Try it again. Do it again this time for me. Come on now. Roll over. Roll over. Either way. Come on. You gonna roll? Can you roll over? You can choose whichever direction you want to go. Roll, roll, roll. Push! Yay! Push, push, push. Stay. Stay. Hey, darling. I see you. I see you. Are you gonna roll? Ah! Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Keep going. You're almost got it. Cody, leave her alone. You're gonna do it, aren't you? You're gonna push, push, push. Oh, you gonna roll over again? You just did it. Yeah, let's put your hand up here, because sometimes you do better when your hands are way up front. Which way are you gonna go? Yeah. Yeah, wiggle wobble. Hey. Can you roll?
She's not gonna roll over today again.
It's like, nope, I just did it, but you weren't videotaping me. You turn that tape on, I'm not gonna do it.
We're getting a lot of cooing though.
Yeah, say I can make some noise. Yeah, little noise maker.
Okay.
Okay, let's put them little fingers up here. Way up front. Now, there you go. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Good,
Okay.